Hopefully it's at the right angle. I didn't check it with my phone. Woo! Get it, Kyle? Coolest guy in the parking lot till I roll up on this little thing, boy. I'm getting the hang of it with one hand. I had to set her free. I had to set her free. I'm sorry. Ah. I love this little thing. If you don't have a mini bike like this, go get one. I'm literally 6'1". That's how little bitty. Mama said if you want to be a cowboy, you gotta be tough. You heard me? It didn't even do it. Oh, fuck. RPMs. Woo! Woo! Well, it's contact. That's your throttle. Come get it. Oh! I saved it! Wow, one more time. My hands are getting tired. Come on. Hold on, slow down, slow down.